What's the ideal writing schedule? How much and how often should you write? The answer to that question is going to be different for everyone, but in general, it's however much you can while keeping the creativity alive. There are kind of two big mistakes you can make here, both on either ends of the extreme. On one extreme, you're not writing enough. The risk with that is that you lose track of the strand of energy that pulls you through the story when you're drafting. On the other end of the extreme is writing too much, where you are writing so much that you exhaust it, and again, you lose the strand of that energy. So the perfect middle is what you have to discover for yourself. I'll tell you what works for me, but something different might work for you. I'm currently on draft 3 of a novel, and I am writing in it every day. Sometimes I give myself a day off on the weekends, but I find that working on it every day is important to maintain my connection to it. If I were to skip a day or skip a few days, it's going to be a lot harder to come back to it. Now, I don't write that much every day. I'm happy if I do 1,000 words. This is typing. But if I'm, let's say, in an early draft, like I always handwrite. I handwrite my first drafts, and I do that in one of these guys. If that's what I'm doing, I'm happy with 2.5 to 3 pages of this every day. So for you, that might be more or that might be less. But the important thing is you don't want to exhaust your creative reserves. So you want to actually stop writing before you've exhausted your creativity. Equally, you've got to keep feeding it. So you need to be at least thinking about the story, I think, on a daily basis. It's a strange sort of alchemy writing is. So you've got to keep it alive for yourself.